Hello guys, welcome to our channel Study Smart Tech. In this video, I have bring 100 important MCQs questions part 3 with answer related to UPSC, State PCS, PRB, SSC, Bank, Computer Operator, Clerk, Exam, etc. And to join our channel, please subscribe our channel Study Smart Tech and press the bell icon to watch all our new uploads. Now let's go to the second slide. Top 100 Computer Fundamental MCQs part 3. Question number 1. An area of a computer that temporarily holds data waiting to be processed is option A CPU, B memory, C storage, D file, and the correct answer is option B memory. Question number 2. ... is the key to close a selected drop down list, cancel a command and close a dialog box. Option A tab, B shift, C ESC, D F10, and the correct answer is option C ESC. Question number 3. ... is the key we use to run the selected command. Option A shift, B tab, C enter, D control, and the correct answer is option C enter. Question number 4. ... is the functional key to display save as box. Option A F5, B F6, C F9, D F12, and the correct answer is option D F12. Question number 5. Data becomes ... when it is presented in a format that people can understand and use. Option A processed, B graphs, C information, D presentation, and the correct answer is option C information. Question number 6. The term ... designates equipment that might be added to a computer system to enhance its functionality. Option A digital device, B system add-on, C disk pack, D peripheral device, and the correct answer is option D peripheral device. Question number 7. A ... is a microprocessor based computing device. Option A personal computer, B mainframe, C workstation, D server, and the correct answer is option A personal computer. Question number 8. RAM can be treated as the ... for the computer's processor. Option A factory, B operating room, C waiting room, D planning room, and the correct answer is option C waiting room. Question number 9. Which of the following are the functions of an operating system? Option A allocates resources, B monitors activities, C manages disks and files, D all of the above, and the correct answer is option D all of the above. Question number 10. To move a copy of file from one computer to another over communication channel is called option A file transfer, B file encryption, C file modification, D file copying, and the correct answer is option A file transfer. Question number 11. The primary function of the ... is to set up the hardware and load and start an operating system. Option A system programs, B BIOS, C CP, D memory, and the correct answer is option B BIOS. Question number 12. What kind of memory is both static and non-volatile? Option A RAM, B ROM, C BIOS, C cache, and the correct answer is option B ROM. Question number 13. ... is computer software designed to operate the computer hardware and to provide platform for running application software. Option A application software, B system software, C software, and D operating system, and the correct answer is option B system software. Question number 14. ... is the amount of data that a storage device can move from the storage medium to the computer per second. Option A data migration rate, B data digitizing rate, C data transfer rate, D data and access rate, and the correct answer is option C data transfer rate. Question number 15. A device which is not connected to CPU is called ... Option A landline device, B online device, C offline device, D device, and the correct answer is option C offline device. Question number 16. What is the other name for programmed chip? Option A RAM, B ROM, C LSIC, D PROM, and the correct answer is option C LSIC. Question number 17. Online real-time system become popular in ... generation. Option A, first generation, B, second generation, C, third generation, D, fourth generation, and the correct answer is option C, third generation. Question number 18. Use C and ... such as a keyboard or mouse to input information. Option A, output device, B, input device, C, storage device, D, processing device, and the correct answer is option B, input device. Question number 19. ... is the ability of a device to jump directly to the requested data. Option A, sequential access, B, random access, C, quick access, D, all of the above, and the correct answer is option B, random access. Question number 20. ... provides process and memory management services that allow two or more tasks, jobs, or programs to run simultaneously. Option A, multitasking, B, multithreading, C, multiprocessing, D, multicomputing, and the correct answer is option A, multitasking. Question number 21. The task of performing operations like arithmetic and logical operations is called option A, processing, B, storing, C, editing, D, sorting, and the correct answer is option A, processing. Question number 22. ALU and control unit jointly known as option A, RAM, B, ROM, C, CPU, D, PC, and the correct answer is option C, CPU. Question number 23. RAM is an example of option A, secondary memory, B, primary memory, C, main memory, D, both 1 and 2, and the correct answer is option B, primary memory. Question number 24. Magnetic disk is an example of option A, secondary memory, B, primary memory, C, main memory, D, both 1 and 2, and the correct answer is option D, both 1 and 2. Question number 25. Which one of the following is not a computer language? Option A, MS Excel, B, Basic, C, COBOL, D, C++, and the correct answer is option A, MS Excel. Question number 26. RAM is also called as option A, read or write memory, B, long memory, C, permanent memory, D, primary memory, and the correct answer is option A, read or write memory. Question number 27. ... store data or information temporarily and pass it on as directed by the control unit. Option A, address, B, register, C, number, D, memory, and the correct answer is option B, register. Question number 28. Select the odd one. Option A, operating system, B, interpreter, C, compiler, D, assembler, and the correct answer is option A, operating system. Question number 29. A ... is an additional set of commands that the computer displays after you make a selection from the main menu. Option A, dialog box, option B, submenu, C, menu selection, D, all of the above, and the correct answer is option A, dialog box. Question number 30. COBOL is an acronym for ... Option A, Common Business Oriented Language, B, Computer Business Oriented Language, C, Common Business Operated Language, D, Common Business Organized Language, and the correct answer is option A, Common Business Oriented Language. Question number 30. All of the following are examples. Question number 31. All of the following are examples of real security and privacy risks except option A, hackers, B, spam, C, viruses, D, identity theft, and the correct answer is option B, spam. Question number 32. Which of the following is not one of the four major data processing functions of a computer? Option A, gathering data, B, processing data into information, C, analyzing the data or information, D, storing the data or information, and the correct answer is option C, analyzing the data or information. Question number 34. The CPU and memory are located on the option A expansion board, B motherboard, C storage device, D output device, and the correct answer is option B motherboard. Question number 35. Is the science that attempts to produce machines that displays the same type of intelligence that humans do. Option A nanoscience, B nanotechnology, C simulation, D artificial intelligence AI, and the correct answer is option D artificial intelligence AI. Question number 36. Servers are computers that provide resources to other computers connected to a option A networked, B mainframe, C computer supercomputer, D client, and the correct answer is option B mainframe. Question number 37. When creating a computer program, the designs the structure of the program. Option A end user, B system analyst, C programmer, D all of the above, and the correct answer is option B system analyst. Question number 38. A computer program that converts an entire program into machine language at one time is called option A interpreter, B simulator, C characters, D compiler, and the correct answer is option D compiler. Question number 39. Computers process data into information by working exclusively with option A multimedia, B word, C numbers, D characters, and the correct answer is option C numbers. Question number 40. The difference between people with access to computers and the internet and those without this access is known as the option A digital divide, B internet divide, C web divide, D illiteracy, and the correct answer is option A digital divide. Question number 41. Computers manipulate data in many ways and this manipulation is called ... Option A upgrading, B processing, C batching, D utilizing, and the correct answer is option B processing. Question number 42. The ability to recover and read deleted or damaged files from a criminal's computer is an example of a law enforcement specialty called option A robotics, B simulation, C computer forensics, D animation, and the correct answer is option C computer forensics. Question number 43. Where does must data go first within a computer memory hierarchy? Option A RAM, B ROM, C BIOS, D cache, and the correct answer is option A RAM. Question number 44. The ... data mining technique derives rules from real world case. Examples: option A rule discover, B signal processing, C neural nets, D case based reasoning, and the correct answer is option C neural nets. Question number 45. ... are used to identify a user who returns to a website. Option A cookies, B plugins, C scripts, D ASPS, and the correct answer is option A cookies. Question number 46. Codes consisting of lines of varying widths or lengths that are computer readable are known as option A an ASCII code, B a magnetic tape, C an OCR scanner, D a barcode, and the correct answer is option D a barcode. Question number 47. Why is it unethical to share copyrighted files with your friends? Option A. It is not unethical because it is legal. B. It is unethical because the files are being given for free. C. Sharing copyrighted files without permission breaks copyright laws. D. It is not unethical because the files are being given for free. And the correct answer is option C. Sharing copyrighted files without permissions breaks copyright laws. Excuse me. Question number 48. Reusable optical storage will typically have the acronym option A CD, B DVD, C ROM, D, RW, and the correct answer is option D, RW. Question number 49. The most common type of storage devices are option A, steel, B, optical, C, magnetic, D, flash, and the correct answer is option B, optical. Question number 50. A device that connects to a network without the use of cables is said to be option A, distributed, B, free, C, centralized, D, none of these, and the correct answer is option D, none of these. Question number 51. A person who used his or her expertise to gain access to others people's computer to get information illegally or to damage is option A, hacker, B, spammer, C, instant messenger, D, programmer, and the correct answer is option A, hacker. Question number 52. To access properties of an object, the mouse technique to use is option A, dragging, B, dropping, C, right clicking, D, shift clicking, and the correct answer is option C, right clicking. Question number 53. A DVD is an example of option A, hard disk, B, optical disk, C, output device, D, solid state storage device, and the correct answer is option B, optical disk. Question number 54. The process of transferring files from a computer on the internet to your computer is called option A, downloading, B, uploading, C, FTP, D, JPEG, and the correct answer is option A, downloading. Question number 55. ... is the process of dividing the disk into tracks and sectors. Option A, tracking, B, formatting, C, crashing, D, allotting, and the correct answer is option B, formatting. Question number 56. Help menu is available at which button? Option A, end, B, start, C, turn off, D, restart, and the correct answer is option B, start. Question number 57. The technology that stores only the essential instructions on a microprocessor chip and thus enhances its speed is referred to a option A, CISC, B, RISC, C, CD-ROM, D, Wi-Fi, and the correct answer is option B, RISC. Question number 58. Which is not a basic function of a computer? Option A, store data, B, accept input, C, process data, D, copy text, and the correct answer is option D, copy text. Question number 59. ASCII is a coding system that provides option A, 256 different characters, B, 512 different characters, C, 1024 different characters, D, 128 different characters, and the correct answer is option C, 1024 different characters. Question number 60. Which part of the computer is directly involved in executing the instructions of the computer program? Option A, the scanner, B, the main storage, C, the secondary data, D, the processor, and the correct answer is option D, the processor. Question number 61. When a computer is switched on, the booting process performs option A, integrity test, B, power on self test, C, correct functioning test, D, reliability test, and the correct answer is option B, power on self test. Question number 62. A computer system that is old and perhaps not satisfactory is referred to as an option A, ancient system, B, historical system, C, age-old system, D, legacy system, and the correct answer is option D, legacy system. Question number 63. Which of the following is not a binary number? Option A, 001, B, 101, C, 202, D, 110, and the correct answer is option C, 202. Question number 64. Which of the following does not store data permanently? Option A, ROM, B, RAM, C, floppy disk, D, hard disk, and the correct answer is option B, RAM. Question number 65. Which of the following is the smallest storage? Option A, megabyte, B, gigabyte, C, terabyte, D, none of those, and the correct answer is option D, none of these. Question number 66. Which of the following contains permanent data and gets updated during the processing of transactions? Option A, operating system file, B, transaction file, C, software file, D, master file. And the correct answer is option D, master file. Question number 67. Which of the following helps to protect floppy disks from data getting accidentally erased? Option A, assist notch, B, write protect notch, C, entry notch, D, input notch. And the correct answer is option B, write protect notch. Question number 68. A modem is connected to option A telephone line, B, a keyboard, C, a printer, D, a monitor. And the correct answer is option A telephone line. Question number 69. Large transaction processing systems in automated organizations use option A, online processing, B, batch processing, C, once a day processing, D, end of day processing. And the correct answer is option B, batch processing. Question number 70. In a computer, most processing takes place in option A, memory, B, RAM, C, motherboard, D, CPU. And the correct answer is option D, CPU. Question number 71. Which of the following is not a storage medium? Option A, hard disk, B, flash drive, C, DVD, D, scanner. And the correct answer is option D, scanner. Question number 72. The computer abbreviation KB usually means option A, key block, B, kernel boot, C, kilobyte, D, kit bit. And the correct answer is option C, kilobyte. Question number 73. The typical computer criminal is an option A, young hacker, B, trusted employee with no criminal record, C, trusted employee with a long but unknown criminal record, D, overseas young cracker. And the correct answer is option B, trusted employee with no criminal record. Question number 74. The common name for the crime of stealing password is option A, jacking, B, identity theft, C, spoofing, D. The correct answer is option C, spoofing. Question number 75. Collecting personal information and effectively posing another individual is known as the crime of option A, spooling, B, identity theft, C, spoofing, D, hacking. And the correct answer is option B, identity theft. Question number 76. Malicious software is known as option A, badware, B, malware, C, maliciousware, D, illegalware. And the correct answer is option B, malware. Question number 77. A program that performs a useful task while simultaneously allowing destructive acts is option A, worm, B, Trojan horse, C, virus, D, macrovirus. And the correct answer is option B, Trojan horse. Question number 78. An intentionally disruptive program that spreads from program to program or from disk to disk is known as a option A, Trojan horse, B, virus, C, time bomb, D, time related bomb sequence. And the correct answer is option B, virus. Question number 79. In 1999, the Melissa virus was a widely publicized option A, email virus, B, macrovirus, C, Trojan horse, D, time bomb. And the correct answer is option A, email virus. Question number 80. What type of virus uses computer hosts to reproduce itself? Option A, time bomb, B, worm, C, Melissa virus, D, macrovirus. And the correct answer is option B, worm. Question number 81. The thing that eventually terminates a worm virus is a lack of option A, memory or disk space, B, time, C, CD drive space, D, CDRW. And the correct answer is option A, memory or disk space. Question number 82. When a logic bomb is activated by a time-related event, it is known as option A, time-related bomb sequence, B. Virus, C. Time bomb, D. Trojan horse, and the correct answer is option C. Time bomb. Question number 83. A logic bomb that was created to erupt on Michelangelo's birthday is an example of a option A. Time-related bomb sequence, B. Virus, C. Time bomb, D. Trojan horse, and the correct answer is option C. Time bomb. Question number 84. What is the name of an application program that gathers user information and sends it to someone through the internet? Option A. A virus, B. Spybot, C. Logic bomb, D. Security page, and the correct answer is option B. Spybot. Question number 85. ... is the measurement of things such as fingerprints and retinal scans used for security assess. Option A. Biometrics, B. Biomeasurement, C. Computer security, D. Smart weapon machinery, and the correct answer is option A. Biometrics. Question number 86. What is the most common tool used to restrict access to a computer system? Option A. User logins, B. Passwords, C. Computer keys, D. Access control software, and the correct answer is option B. Passwords. Question number 87. Hardware or software designed to guard against unauthorized access to a computer network is known as an option A. Hacker-proof program, B. Firewall, C. Hacker-resistant server, D. Encryption-safe wall, and the correct answer is option B. Firewall. Question number 88. The scrambling of code is known as option A. Encryption, B. Firewall, C. Scrambling, D. Password proofing, and the correct answer is option A. Encryption. Question number 89. To prevent loss of data during power failures, use an option A. Encryption program, B. Surge protector, C. Firewall, D. UPS, and the correct answer is option D. UPS. Question number 90. ... is defined as any crime completed through the use of computer technology. Option A. Computer forensics, B. Computer crime, C. Hacking, D. Cracking, and the correct answer is option B. Computer crime. Question number 91. ... refers to electronic trespassing or criminal hacking. Option A. Cracking, B. Jacking, C. Spoofing, D. Smarming, and the correct answer is option A. Cracking. Question number 92. The first electronic computer was developed by option A. J.B. Attensoft, B. Bill Gates, C. Seymour Cray, D. Winton Cerf, and the correct answer is option A. J.B. Attensoft. Question number 93. Snowball is a ... Option A. Operating system, B. HLL, C. Software, D. Search engine, and the correct answer is option B. HLL. Question number 94. Switching device of 5th generation computer is option A. Vacuum tubes, B. Transistors, C. IC, D. VLSI, and the correct answer is option D. VLSI. Question number 95. ... computers operates essentially by counting. Option A. Portable computer, B. Hybrid computer, C. Analog computer, D. Digital computer, and the correct answer is option D. Digital computer. Question number 96. ... computer is small general purpose microcomputer but larger than portable computer. Option A. Hybrid, B. Digital, C. Desktop, D. Laptop, and the correct answer is option C. Desktop. Question number 97. Cathode ray tube is a form of option A. Keyboard, B. Mouse, C. Monitor, D. Motherboard, and the correct answer is option C. Monitor. Question number 98. Trackball is a ... Option A. Input device, B. Output device, C. Programming language, D. Software language, and the correct answer is option A. Input device. Question number 99. ... computer is a medium-sized computer. Option A. Micro, B. Mainframe, C. Super, D. Mini, and the correct answer is option D. Mini. Question number 100. Computer are of large size. Option A micro, B mainframe, C super, D mini, and the correct answer is option B mainframe. Thank you for watching this video. Please give a like to this video, share this video to all of your friends, and we want feedback from you guys, so drop your comment in the comment section below. Thank you. All the best.